Okay, guys, it should be Thursday for yearbook class. What I want you to focus on is getting this week's assignment finished using Justin's Yearbook Avenue. We went over this on Tuesday, and also to catch up on any missing work you have for yearbook class. Then, in the next video, I will go over to what to do for week 9, which it will be for Monday. So for Thursday, October 8th, you are going to practice, get caught up in missing work and finish this using Justin's Yearbook Avenue. I hope you have a great Thursday. I will not see you until Wednesday of next week, so try to get this done and watch the video for Monday. Thank you.